I'm Lauren Wright. I'm from Columbia, South Carolina, and I live in Ngororero District, Rwanda. I was really nervous to start running at site because there were a lot of stares at first, and people still do stare. And I see certain people on my run every morning, and we greet each other, and we have our little ritual. So here I have a collection of baskets. There's a cooperative in my village called Kovamu that makes a variety of different kinds of baskets. And every Tuesday I go and sit, and I'm trying to learn how to weave. Some are made out of grass, and you have the natural color and the dyed grass on top, and they make all different designs. There are also baskets made out of umugwegwe. Umugwegwe is a type of fiber that is made from the sisal plant, and it's a large spiky plant, and they cut the leaves and they process it to make these white fibers. And you start to curl them in a circle, and you take thicker pieces of umugwegwe or colored thread, and you just make small stitches in order to hold the umugwegwe together, and you just continue to spiral around and make whatever type of shape you want. And I've got some finished ones here and here. Here I've got my collection of all the cards that I've received. It's always nice to have little reminders of home. And then over here, I've tried to find some quotes and little inspirational things to keep me going, and I'm also trying to be more creative and try my hand at art. I do like this one from The Little Prince by Saint-Exupéry. On ne voit bien qu'avec le cœur, we only see clearly with the heart. And that's my race number from the Kigali Half Marathon this year. I really like the views of the volcanoes. So I go out this one road almost every day, and there's this one curve where the valleys open up in front of you and the mountains are on either side, and in the mornings the clouds are hanging down in the valleys, and then way off in the distance there are the volcanoes looming over everything. It's my favorite spot at site. And no matter how far I'm running, I always stop there and take a minute, breather, look at the volcanoes, and then continue my run. For a while. I did cross country and track in high school, and then a couple years ago my mom decided that she wanted to try running, and so during the summers when I was home from school we would go out to the state park near our house and we would go on runs together, and it was always a really special bonding time with my mom, and I wish she could come here and run with me.
Palmera. Palmera.